Fran Seegull, can you talk about impact investing and how it's different from socially responsible investing?
Impact investing is a practice of investing across asset classes for financial return as well as impact. Currently in the United States, there are about $6.5 trillion of investment with impact, again, across asset classes. That's up 75% over the last 2 years.
And according to your research, the millennials and women are driving this move towards impact investing. So why not the baby boomers? Talk about the forces involved here.
Sure. So there are a couple of driving forces that are creating an opportunity for growth in impact investing. The first is the coming wealth transfer. $40 trillion of wealth will transfer to women and baby boomers over the next 30 to 40 years. And we know that 2/3 of both of those cohorts are interested in allocating according to their values. That's one piece. And the second driving force is social and environmental challenges. So on the social side, you have population growth, poverty, health, education opportunities for investment. On the environmental side, we have sanitation, water and electrical infrastructure. So all opportunities domestically and in emerging markets for investment.
And impact investing used to be the domain of really rich people, accredited investors, but now anyone can do it. There's a lot of funds, different ways for people to do it. Why don't you talk about some of those?
Sure, happy to, with the proviso that your investors should check with their wealth advisors before making any investment. So retail investors now can get exposure to the public markets through mutual funds, so environmentally, socially, and governance screened mutual funds. And there are a number of families of mutual funds that have been in business for 20, 30, 40 years with very strong track records and Morningstar ratings. Some of those families are Calvert Investments, Pax World, Parnassus, Domini, and TIAA-CREF. We also look at investing in private companies, and we call that deep impact investing. And there are a couple of private debt securities that are available for retail investors. There's private security available by Calvert Foundation, and we at ImpactAssets are bringing to market 2 private debt securities designed to democratize access to impact investing by lowering investment minimums. The focus of these 2 securities will be microfinance and global sustainable agriculture.
And what about returns? Are people sacrificing their returns to do better for the world?
So that's a misconception that you have to give up returns when you invest in impact investing. Morgan Stanley just came out with a report that of 13,000 open-end mutual funds and separate accounts, and they indicated that they met or exceeded the returns of their traditional investment counterparts across asset classes on an absolute and risk-adjusted basis over time, over the last 7 years. On the private side, we at ImpactAssets invest in many market-rate private debt and equity funds that meet or exceed the market benchmark.
All right, thanks a lot, Fran.
Pleasure, thank you.
Thank you for watching The Street.